Happy weekend, everyone. This is Paul with Sizzling Arrow Outdoors, and I'm over here at a nice little campsite. It's about 14 acres up here in Miller's Creek in North Carolina. My son and I came up for just a fun weekend of camping and doing a little campfire cooking. So what we're doing today, I've got my Carolina cooker, tripod, and a 5-quart Dutch oven. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make some Cowboy Coffee. So what you do with that, I've got the Dutch oven over here getting hot. I mean, this thing's probably boiling. Yeah, you can hear it. I'm just going to pour in some water. I'm the only one drinking the coffee, so I'm only going to do probably one 16-ounce bottle. And it's not a traditional Cowboy Coffee because I'm using Lavazza. So you got your 16 ounces of water in there, and then all you do is just take your grounds and just kind of pour it right in here. I like mine pretty strong. That should be good. And we're just going to let that boil, heat up, and once it's hot, it's time to strain it. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. Our water has boiled, the coffee's incorporated into the water, and I'm getting smoked out here, man. That's one joy about over the fire cooking, is that you get all the smoke with it. But I'm not complaining, I'm having a good time. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull the Dutch oven off of the chain here, and then we're going to pour it into my cup down here. And whatever we got left over, I'm just going to place the Dutch oven over here to the side, put the lid on it, and let it sit, and I'll just finish it as I go. The nice thing about cast iron Dutch ovens or skillets, they really retain their heat, so this is going to stay hot for quite some time after I put the lid on and set it off the fire. So one thing I really love about it. Anyway, without me rambling anymore, I'm going to go ahead and grab this and show you guys what it looks like into the cup. So, all right. Perfect size for that thing. Cool. All right, guys. So what we do now is we just take that little strainer out. You got all your grounds there in the strainer, and all your coffee is in your cup. So we're just going to set that right there. I'm going to rinse that out here in a little bit, but before I do that, I'm going to enjoy some coffee. Let's see. What do we got here? How strong is it? All right, yeah. That'll take a paint finish off a wall. That's good stuff right there. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to try this at your next campsite, make sure to check out carolinacooker.com and pick up one of these 5-quart Dutch ovens and one of these tripods. We'll see you guys next time.